to Conversations with Carissa. This segment is about how I made this wreath. I made 3 wreaths for my dining room area. I'm decorating for the fall, and I will post that video to this video. And I wanted to come to you and share how I made my wreaths. But before I get into the details, I need you to click like, and I want you to give me a thumbs up, and I also want you to share this video too. Most importantly, I want you to become a subscriber so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be able to be the first to know. You'll get that notification. So without further ado, I'm gonna get into making this wreath for you guys. Okay, so we have our wreath, and first you want to situate how you want your little beads to go around your wreath. So what I got 3 to cover basically the whole wreath itself. And then you can either spread these out or you can just leave them the way you want. So they're going to be looking kind of like this. Okay. And because this is kind of wiry anyway, you can just kind of stick the beads inside the wreath, and you can wind the stems around and just kind of include it in the back, kind of hook it in the back, or however way you want to do it, like that. Okay. But yes, I found like I said, I found a wreath, and I didn't have my glasses on, and when I put them on and saw the price of it, I was like, really, for this little piece of wreath? And I've got to add more stuff to it. I mean, the $29.99 would have turned out to be close to a $40 wreath, the stuff that I was thinking about putting on it. So even though it was a percentage off, it's just still, to me, it wasn't worth it. And then not only that, I was trying to really get away from doing a lot of the orange for the fall and just kind of break up the colors and just incorporate some other colors in my little fall selection. This is really simple and easy, and then makes it even better is the fact that it has the wire already in it, so that you can kind of intertwine into the wreath itself. Okay. Okay, so this is how it's looking now. Okay, so this is the first layer I'm putting on. You can see that. And then you can just spread these out according to how you want it to be, and so on and so forth. And if you need to, you need to kind of add another little wiring to it to keep it keep it stable, you can always get some kind of little twisty, and just make sure you hide it if it's a different color, and just include it in your to lock it down. But for the most case, you could really just kind of wind it around to where your little beads won't move as much. Okay, so now for these, I want mine to be at the top, and I want it to be at the bottom. So you're just going to hook it through, like here. I think you can see it. Hook it through, You're doing the same thing you would do with the others. Just hook it through like that. See how simple that was, y'all? See if you can see it. Okay. This is really simple. And then I'm gonna hook the bottom as well. Then you just stick the other piece all inside the wreath, and no one will never know that it didn't grow on here. This was just so simple, y'all. Yeah. And now I am going to add my side piece, which is this. Put it on in there. A little hard, that's because it's thick. That's all right, y'all. And see, this is how it looks now. See if you can see it. Okay. And then the last one I will add is my little white pumpkin, y'all. So here you go. This is my wreath. Let me kind of hold this up for you guys. This is, and then what you do is just kind of play with it to get it to shape it the way you want to shape it. Okay, y'all, so this is, let's see if you see it. Okay, this is the final look of this wreath, you guys. The final wreath, the final look. Okay, so this is it. This is one of the wreaths that I am going to hang above the window in the dining room. And I'm going to hang 3. So I've already made 2. I wanted to show you guys this one, how I made this one. But you'll see the finishing touch. You just have to go and look at my video on my tablescape, okay? And then again, like I said, you just shape your leaves according to how you want it to look. But it's, like I said, it's really simple if you make your own wreath rather than having to go out and buy it. And actually, this is going to sit on the side where these pieces are going to be on one side. And then I have my little beads kind of folding out from the other side. And then you have your little leaves, your little foliage at the top and the bottom. Okay, well, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, you guys. Like I said, I have a lot of different videos on just all different types of things. So when you come to this channel, you're gonna get some of everything. So please subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to go look at the final results of my dining room fall decoration. And then I will also have some other videos out there on how I decorate for the fall. So please stay tuned and please join the family. Talk to you soon. Bye.